In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and utilize some key features in the HubSpot app. Whether you're new to HubSpot or just need a refresher, these steps will help you efficiently manage your tasks within the platform. So let's dive right in. First things first, open up your web browser and head over to the HubSpot website. Once you're logged in, go directly to the user guide. This guide is a wealth of knowledge and is handily located within the HubSpot platform, providing you with insights and instructions on how to best use various features. Next up is the Commerce section. Click on Commerce to access the specific area where business transactions and related activities are managed. This area is crucial if you're dealing with financial transactions through HubSpot, as it organizes all your commerce-related activities in one place. After you've familiarized yourself with the Commerce section, it's time to move on to the Orders tab. Click on Orders to view all the orders processed through your system. This section is vital for tracking sales activities and keeping a record of all transactions. It helps you maintain an organized overview of all your incoming and outgoing orders, ensuring you have everything you need to manage your customer relationships effectively. Now that you've explored orders, navigate over to the Import function. Simply click on Import, which allows you to bring in data from various external sources into your HubSpot account. This is particularly useful if you are migrating from another system or need to integrate additional data sets into your current HubSpot environment. It simplifies the data transfer process, making it smooth and hassle-free. Finally, let's talk about how to sync data from other apps. Clicking on Sync from Apps is a powerful feature that allows HubSpot to communicate seamlessly with other applications. This ensures that your data remains consistent and up-to-date across multiple platforms. By integrating other applications with HubSpot, you can improve workflow efficiency and reduce redundant data entry. And there you have it. Those are the essential steps to help you get started and make the most of these particular features in HubSpot. By following this guide, you'll not only streamline your operations, but also enhance the overall productivity of your business activities managed within HubSpot. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or would like more detailed information on a specific section, feel free to revisit the user guide or reach out to the resource support available on the platform. Remember, every tool and function in HubSpot is designed to make your business processes smoother and more efficient, so don't hesitate to explore and make the most of it.